Hello, 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 hello. Hello, brothers and sisters. I like God. Welcome to my page. My page is about common sense. I try to keep it down, nitty gritty, under 10 minutes. If it goes over 10 minutes, it's something very important and not important. The liberals, libertarians, people believe in God, people like to smoke, people like to drink, people like ayahuasca, people like DMT. Listen, discretion is advised because I'm not your average man. I'm not your Peter Pan. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Planet Earth, the beautiful, nightmarish world. As we all, it is said that we all came here, brothers and sisters. We didn't just was born here on purpose because of some evolution or some sort of matrix. We don't know what the fuck why we're here, right? How you been, Vincent? What's going on? I got some shit to talk about, you guys. Because I got to do some shopping today, baby. I got to do some goddamn shopping today. So let's get on. Crazy Taxi, right? People who are gamers, you know Crazy Taxi. Somebody said, you got a voice like Crazy Taxi? Well, I said, that's right. That's right. Let me see. Okay, Anthony said, stop inviting me to your podcast. Okay, oh, this motherfucker. Okay, he's gay. He's gay. How you been? I don't like liberals. I say, there's different types of liberals, man. Different types of liberals. I said, anybody who don't know who I am, I'm going to put it down below. Okay, I got to watch out for people who are hoes. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Okay, and put it down here. And so those people, those individuals who follow me, they like my vibe. And those who do not, get the hell out of here. Get out of here, because they don't learn nothing until it's too late. Then they'll come to me later on and say, you was always talking crazy. Okay, you was always talking crazy truth. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it is. But other than that, let me just pin this here, okay? Let me waste the liberals' time, okay? Because liberals come in many different colors now here. You got to be careful, okay? There's people who are into the liberal arts. You got to watch those people. They're not the bad guys. You got to understand that either they're logical. There's good and bad in all. If there's a far left-wing individual out there, okay? Because today's topic will be about realism versus exaggeration in movies, okay? We're going to talk about that. And also, I want to talk about something extra special, okay? This is for you women if you are listening, okay? When I write things down, everything sounds so proficient and so correct and so clear when I write things down. But this is not what I'm all about. I can just talk off the top of my head to you and rain your ear off for like 2 hours about rambling on about multiple subjects that you can't possibly keep in touch, right? So, let's get on. So, anyone who's not a part of me and who don't know who I am, please get out of here. All my Bangladeshi friends, which are in the thousands and thousands so far, who watch me, they know who I am. They try to understand my English, and that's cool, okay? Let me see. MD Ali, I see everybody here. When I see your name, I'm gonna recognize you and say hello. Okay, MD Rubo, how you been? All my friends from Bangladeshi, welcome. And I know you guys try to interpret my expedient freaking fucking English, okay? And you just want to try to talk like me, but it's up to you of how you want to talk, okay? I talk very sophisticated and very quickly, and so I don't want to talk very slow so you can understand me. But if you have a question about something that you can hear in my English, write it down below, okay? All right, let's get on with the subject now here. I also have a message for women. It's you women, okay, I want to talk about that. Because everything is revolved around the MGTOW and the Me Too and the MGTOW, red pillars and shit like that. But I want to make something very clear. Women, it's not in your nature to be selfish. You're not supposed to be selfish. If you have been brought up to a way to say, okay, hey, I'm going to find a husband, okay, without even thinking about having a sister wife, then you wasn't raised right in your parenthood. You wasn't raised correctly. That's just my perspective. Understand this very clear coming from an alpha. Because alphas don't deal with just one female. All right? Real men who are alpha kings do not deal with one female. They don't think on the terms of, I'm going to get emotional with you. They're business minded. They're very strict minded, stern minded. They are full of discipline and very holistic, okay? They do not play around. They do not fit into society. They are only 10 to 15%. They're the ones who are more likely to have the six-figure income and keep it secret. Keep it secret, keep it safe, goddammit. So if you're a female, you're not supposed to be working. They don't want you to be working. If you got a job, okay, right? I'm just trying to teach these women, and I'm gonna talk for like 10 to 15 minutes because I gotta get out of here. I gotta go shopping a little bit, get me some food, okay? How you been, Jamarcus D. Russell? All those who don't follow me, please turn on your notifications. I got a lot of lessons for everybody. All right. I'm not just talking out the side of my nose here. Okay. Because I do talk to so many people that they want to keep in touch with me, but I cost money. I can't just keep doing it and just hanging with you, and I can't do that. But I got things to talk about. So you women, it is not your intentions. It should not be your intentions to be selfish. So let's say, for instance, you was raised you think you was raised in a traditional household. There is a Western style tradition and then there's an Eastern style tradition. Which one are you? The Western style tradition is monogamy relationships. Monogamy relationships are most likely for Western traditions. Monogamy, repeat after me. Monogamy relationships are for the white Western style monogamy traditions. Single model to your model man. And they have enforced that through Africa. Remember that. The Far East is in Africa. All right. So understand this. The tradition for the Eastern traditions, okay, I'm just going on my philosophies here, it's more polygyny, okay, all right? So the alphas live more on the farther east, while the beta alphas, which is mostly predominantly more white folks who want to control your asses through their man manipulation and psychology, are the ones who are going to tell you how you can live your life. Okay, but order is good. Order is good. But let me continue on here. If you really want to be a feminine female aspect woman, or a queen, so-called, you got to be super subservient. You can't be selfish. You can't be a bad mouther. You can't be into materialism. You can't be wearing big earrings. You can't be wearing the makeup. You got to take off the fake hair. You got to take off. There's a lot of shit. Your health got to be top of the line. And the two things I want to speak about, you got to be humble. So let's say, for instance, your husband, okay, most likely no alpha would disrespect you if you're doing something kind, okay, says something out of pocket, okay. You can suggest that really hurt me. You could be really passive about it and say, hey, that really hurt me, and say your man's name, Mario. You can say that, you hurt my feelings. And then if you really felt sincere about that, then I will coddle you because I made a mistake. Okay, but if you know in the beginning an alpha is going to be strong and too forward, okay, then you can't be hurt later on. Okay, you cannot be hurt. How you been, Ruben? Ben? How you been? Y'all names sound the same. All of you guys sound the same from Bangladesh. Y'all guys sound, Ruben, okay, Ben Zaman. How you been? What's going on? Also, I want to tell you one other thing too. You women who are listening to me, you humble yourself, trying to find things in common with the male is very important because a lot of women don't have a lot of things in common with males. And when you come to the table with an alpha male, you got to bring more than just that physical aspect of yourself. You won't be able to last long if you just have the physical aspect. You're just not going to last. The most wisest man of all times was King Solomon that I know and I have read in the many religion storytelling out there in the books. King Solomon the Great, okay, he controlled demons and he had over like 1,000 wives, okay, concubines and stuff like that. But understand this very clear. If you don't want to be a selfish woman saying, oh, I'm going to find me one husband. That's not how you're supposed to be raised. Okay, I would teach my daughters, like, if you want a bigger family, you want more love, you're going to have sister wives somewhere helping you out. Because women's mentality and psychosis is not as strong as, it's not as strong as a man's. And anyhow, if you're young, you must understand this is a concept. Everybody has their own concept. Do you want your man to grow in power? So if you're a child, how you been, Amira, Ekram? Child Hootie, y'all got some weird names. How you been? Hi, sir. I'm from Bangladesh. I know who you are. You're with Hassan, and we have classes and stuff. But of course, when you come into the stream, you're gonna have to take the honest truth about things. If you're a female, you do not want to be selfish. If you're a female, you have to be kind and humble. You have to be slow to anger. But if you do have some sort of anger, that means that man didn't tell you himself when you first meet him. You also have to have something in common with the man. So if you're just thinking that your body is just going to fly by and you're just going to have a whole bunch of babies, that's not enough to hold an alpha king. You're going to have sister wives. You're going to have women to help you and to copulate with you. okay? And to give you information so you can humble yourself. Because the more powerful a man is, the more likely he's going to have multiple wives. It's not going to be just you and him. That is the Western style tradition. I don't believe in Western style tradition, and I'm not a Muslim. I'm more smarter than the religion, okay? All right? So if you're into religion, it's a great evil for a greater good. So be it. If you've been raised that way, it is fine. It is completely fine. I'm just trying to tell you, to me, if you want to be a critical thinker, you can't be in religion. No one can dominate and dictate your life or how it should be. Now, let's continue on now here. I talked about the women's side. Now, I'm also going to talk about realism versus exaggeration. Okay, when I was younger, I used to watch a lot of movies in realism until one day in 1990, the movie called Ninja Scroll came out. The movie was animated. And I was like, what the hell? I used to watch Transformers. I used to watch G.I. Joe, and those people who know me, Thundercats was out, Thundercats. I was fucking watching all those shows. I'm an old head. I remember when video games first came out back in the 1980s, okay? Before I played all of the game systems, when they first came out, I was playing them. I wish I had enough money to store all those game systems I was playing. ColecoVision, Sega Master System. I was playing all those systems, okay? I was blessed enough to try to play those things because my mind was like really intrigued by it. Okay, so let me see. Vincent Harris says, I left religion. Great, because I told you if you do your research, you'll find out religion stems from what? Paganism. It comes from power and control by the oligarchies and the individuals from medieval times. They said, hey, we're having too much war, so religion was created. Religion means to bind in Latin. It means to bind. It means to not keep your mind free. It keeps your mind binded. And many people who are into religion are also very docile and very biased. They're not critical thinkers. This is why I try to stay away from. If you if I meet a female who's religious, I say at least follow the Bible. At least follow your Quran. Okay, right. But they're going to be a hypocrite. This is why the downfall of women is going to occur, because women don't read the Bible. They don't care what's about in it. They care about their surroundings and their euphoric notations, their expressions. And I keep saying you're going to be hooping and hollering to your grave when the Bible clearly gave you instructions. It was created by man, not by God. People don't understand where the words God come from. They don't understand where the word Lord come from. They don't care about where it comes from. Okay, a Lord is representing a king, powerful European king. God represents the sun god. If you ask, as a matter of fact, what the real definition of God actually means dog. Turn it backwards, you get dog, right? And dog represents dogma. And dogma represents propaganda. They got the word God in there, motherfuckers. Y'all better wake up with these words. But of course, if you're watching me now, we're not going to get off the subject here. If you got anything to say it or forever hold your peace. All right? So I'm talking about realism and exaggeration. So I'm going back. I digress here. How you been, Marsha Thornton? How you been? What's going on? Okay, if you cannot pay attention, please remove yourself. You are not a part of the elite, from my perspective. Okay, you still got lots to learning. If you cannot understand my English, I speak too fast. Any kind of problems, you should not listen to me, because I'm a fool. Correct? Okay, I'm a fool. Okay, so realism versus exaggeration. When I start, hello, how you been, Marsha Thornton? I may not receive your message until 10 to 40 seconds later, depending on your network. If you can't see me, I'm sorry. That's your internet, not my fault, because my internet is blasted, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, let me see. Unique name. Vincent Harris says, oh, yeah, okay, you respond to her. Well, realism and exaggeration. When I first started watching the anime movie called Ninja Scroll, which came out in 1990, it was an anime. And don't get me wrong, I was into cartoons and watching. There's different levels of anime out there. Transformers, G.I. Joe, and Cobra, okay, GoBots. Okay, I remember all those cartoons that came out in the 80s. Thundercats, the Flintstones. I watched all of them. Tom and Jerry. I watched all of them. But when I saw Ninja Scroll, it was on the VHS. And it blew my fucking mind. It blew my motherfucking mind. And so when I tell people to start watching, when I tell some women, because usually women don't watch anime, to watch certain types of anime, it will blow your mind more than the realistic movies that are out there. Trust me. When I saw Ninja Scroll with that big dude who turned into a fucking rock, when I was like, God damn it, this mother, if I believe the movie would be 10 times better if they CG it, computer generate that motherfucker. Because computer generated movies are super exceptional. Oh my fucking God, it takes a lot more time to create than a real movie. Get out of my, look at these video games. Jesus fucking Christ, they exaggerate things to a point that where blood be splattering all over the place. You know that's not realistic, but exaggeration supersedes realism. Okay, it just supersedes it. And if you're watching something like Dragon Ball Z, I'm not a fan of Dragon Ball Z, but I like Vegeta and I like a couple characters. I'm not a Dragon Ball Z because it's kind of childish to me. I like serious, exaggerated shit like Guts and fucking Berserk, Ninja Scroll, fucking Samurai X, Batosai the Manslayer, One Piece, okay, One Punch Man, okay, all those movies. Oh my fucking God. So anyone who don't know about dark anime, I call it dark anime. Okay, even Thundercats, when the way it started off, thunder. They can no fucking intro can beat Thundercats. No fucking intro can really beat that. And He-Man and the Masters of the Universe? Oh my fucking God. He-Man's in the Masters of the fucking Universe? V-Dog, what's going on, Negra Tamato? Okay, what's going on, man? Let's see what's up. We talk about multiple subjects here. Now, I'm going to give you a recap. So if you don't know who I am, before you speak, read the pen up there, the print pen note, who I am. All right, I'm the only one that does that. It's a niche in the system. I do the things that I do unscripted, but I do got little notes here. I'm your friendly neighborhood schizologist if you don't know me. But a little while ago, I was talking about how women, it is not in your nature to be selfish. Because alpha men would only be into polygyny. Real alpha men are into polygyny. Real men are only interested in virgins too. So that's a big thing for y'all women out there now. If you lost your virginity, your value is down at fucking 20%. You are worthless to the alpha. The true alpha that I'm talking about. You know who I'm talking about. I'm not talking about people who think they're an alpha and shit because they don't know what an alpha is. Because I'm an old head. I come from Brooklyn. I was taught by the pimps and they told me what an alpha was. So I'm just trying to tell you like the real shit. I don't have to worry about this shit. People be looking at me, making fun of me and shit. And I'm like, I don't care about those betas. They're betas compared to me. Apples and oranges. I traveled abroad. I got my own videos. I'm old as fuck. I'm 47 this year. How you been, Ty Lai? What's going on? Did I catch you at the back a good time? Because I didn't see y'all faces here around here before. I had to edit my fucking videos on my fucking on my friends list, and I had to start taking it. Y'all guys, make sure you check your friends. If your friends don't got a face on there, you should delete them. They don't got a face. That means there could probably be a hacker somewhere nearby. Check your name. So let's say your name is Ty Lee, right? You type in Ty Lee. How many people got that same name? You better watch that shit. That's kind of rare to have the same name. So you better watch it. Marsha Thornton. Ubalagama. Okay, I'm not going to pronounce your last name. I don't think there are real alphas anymore. Of course, I'm the only real alpha that's talking out there because they don't want to listen to me when I tell them some shit. Okay, I'm a real alpha. Trust me. I believe in polygyny. I tried to do that shit with my Ethiopian wife, and my Ethiopian wife was a virgin. And I'm 31. I lost my virginity when I was 31. In my past, when I was a beta alpha, I was getting paid from women. So we got a big gap there. I don't like used vaginas. So I would fuck with them with a strap on and shit. Okay, so you read my description down there. I'm the real McCoy down there. I will fuck bitches with strap-ons and shit, and I get paid for my services rendered because I know how to talk to women. I get them panties off on the phone. When she sees me in person, she might not like my appearance. I may be 5'7". I don't have the full set of hair no more, but I don't need the full set of hair because I'm a Renaissance man. I will fuck your brain up. I will talk to you about some shit that you never heard of before. And that's why I try to tell you guys and teach you guys about the emerald pill knowledge. But of course, you ain't going to hear me. Of course, you're not going to hear me because I'm not. You're just too busy and you want to stick with that red pill and that MGTOW. You're fucking up the game for the real pimps, okay? Through chaos breeds profit. We should know this as alphas. Only alphas would know this because you already know why the feminist movement was created in the first place, right? But I don't want to get off the topic here. I can talk to your ears off about a lot of facts and shit and common sense now here. Let's continue on here. Okay, Ty Lee, what's good? I'm all cool. Ty Lee, I'm your friendly neighborhood schizologist. I answer everybody's questions. I'm your therapist to help you and to talk to you. All right? It's just not about me. It's about you. All right? But I really only want the elite to listen to me because most of the masses of asses don't have a good attention span. They just don't. I ramble on and I do that incoherently sometimes. It's on purpose. The problem is that there is no American versions, haha, unless they're 10. Incorrect. I've met a virgin in America once. Okay? I met a female who was 20 years old, fine as a dime, but my dick was too big. Next thing you know, I lost her number. Couldn't get in touch with her again. A terrible story, but I did eventually find my virgin wife when I was skip forward 10, 15 years. I'm 31 years old. So I went overseas and I found my Ethiopian wife who was a virgin. How about them apples? And on top of that, because I'm so diligent, due diligence with my own self, my pure-hearted soul with no sins, okay, as a matter of fact, because I'm the Jesus type. I'm an indigo child as well. She was a virgin. Lived with her parents. And I tried to tell you guys, sometimes you got to wait for many years. You got to wait for many years for that virgin. You got to find her. I don't like used vaginas. They got an OCD with used vaginas. They got to pay. I tell women straight up front, if I'm making you giggle that much, okay, you already, your pussy lips is wet already, okay, where's my money, okay? Where's my fucking money, okay? Because alphas mostly think about their fucking money and their health. And the woman that he's going to be with cares about the same thing. My health and the money comes first or second, okay? If she's thinking about money, she better be doing my shit or she won't get no honey. It's the other way around, guys. You should be happy there's more single mothers out there. You should be happy that there's prostitutes out there. You should be fucking happy because these hoes be talking the way they do. Just girls just wanna have fucking fun. Oh, girls, let them have fucking fun. Because if their daddies ain't there, they're all for slim picking. They all for slim picking. You got it? Because they say they're religious. They say they're Christians. They ain't gonna read that shit. That's a mask, motherfuckers. That's a mask. All religion is a mask. Until you get down into that book and you tell them each time. Because my experiences far supersedes most of you guys out there. Come on now. Okay, look, most in America, you can find some virgins if you find some alpha men. If you got some, me, I got 2 daughters. I already got guys saying, let me get your daughters. I'm like, motherfucker, you know my daughters is going overseas. Are you crazy? I've been in Ethiopia, motherfucker. You think you're going to talk to me the way you talking to me? You better give me $3 million. Okay, shit, my daughters ain't gonna be able to talk to you, okay? You won't be able to handle my mouth and my personality. How you think you gonna talk to my daughters? My daughters are too smart for you, and they ain't gonna be trying to be interested. They're gonna ask for my hand and say, Daddy, is this okay? Because that's how it's supposed to be, motherfuckers. Your daughters are supposed to ask for approval of the father. That's the truth. The Western, as a matter of fact, that's true. That's Western and Eastern, as a matter of fact. Because America is destroyed. Between the 1950s, the only good time in America was between the 1950s and 60s, and some other times before that, yeah, from my research. And I talked to racists, and I talked to pedophiles who live in the UK and fucking Canada and shit. And don't get me wrong, I understand their mindset, but I'm gonna tell you right now, a lot of girls don't care for alpha males. They don't care for it, and people be assuming what an alpha male is, but they got it all wrong. Because they talk, come to me. You'll get the alpha shit right. A lot of these days, people got a new term for what simp is. It means suckers investing in mediocre pussy. That's what it means. And people think I'm joking around or trolling and shit, but I've been on the internet for since 2012, but I don't get a lot of news and shit. I don't get a lot of attention because of because of my face and some shit, but I don't care. I'd rather do it that way because I'm really alpha. I don't have to look all pretty and shit because that's not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to be looking pretty. You're supposed to fall for your fucking type. How about that? If you're a fat fuck, you deserve a fat fuck. All right. If I find a female, I'm gonna find a female just in my stature. I'm a weight trainer and shit, a fitness trainer. Okay. I don't have time. If she don't have what I have, we got a problem. We got a fucking problem. We got 30% of racism in America. It still exists, and I don't think it'll ever be snuffed out. You already just saw what happened to the Capitol and shit, all right? you know how the Southern got defeated, right? Because they were stupid, right? There you go. That's a great example of those Confederate motherfuckers. That's a great example of the Southern Confederates. They're idiots. And of course, they're going to be walking up in there like nothing's going to happen. The northern white man or these Yankees ain't no fucking joke. They think about things. We had the Wild Wild West, baby. You don't remember the Wild Wild West? The Yankees was in charge of that shit. They were going around killing, looking for wanted felons and shit, organizing themselves. There's different types of white folks out there, you guys. But let's continue on. So I talked about it's not in the woman's nature to be selfish. It's not in the woman's nature to actually be non-humble. Okay, you got an attitude about something. Talk to your man, your king. It's not in the woman's nature to not have something in common with that man. Because when it comes down to it, every time I encounter a female, I take them out for a cup of coffee. I used to be blue pill. I used to take them to Red Lobster all the time. But I was like, okay, wait, what happens next? Does she owe me a meal? Does that bitch owe me a meal? Because that's wrong, y'all women. You shouldn't do that. You get a free meal, you're supposed to give that meal back, even if you're not interested. You're not supposed to be going, you could do all that talking on the phone. When you go to take out someone to a meal, he thinks you like him, and you're going to give him some booty, because men are sexual creatures by nature. Women are sexual until after they see that money, okay? So now you guys got to take away the sexual part and trade that sexual energy for money. Alphas think about more money. Fuck your feelings. You heard where that shit came from, right? Let me read what you gotta say down here. Ty Lee here. Okay, yeah, you ain't saying nothing else. I'm your friendly neighborhood schizologist. If you need something, you better talk to me. As I'm about to get out of here, I've been talking for 26 minutes. And so we talked about all these things. Women's nature, women's true nature is supposed to be. Any women out there who's not a virgin and you think you disagree with me, so what? You gonna pay me my money to be entertained by me or not? Or you just gonna be fucking around with those bums with tattoos and just look attractive? That's all you care about. That's what those lowly type women love. Attraction and a challenge. Okay? And then you got women out there who thinking that, I deserve a 6-figure. Look at Kevin Samuels. Look at him. Don't get me wrong. I ain't fritting on his shit. I don't frit on another man's shit. Okay? I just felt that it's kind of shallow in him to dress in a cross Dixie chick type of fashion, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of strange now here. You dress in cross-dressing. I don't know what the fuck you are. I don't know what to say, okay? I saw him wear the red coat. I'm like, is he a pimp or some shit? If you got a purse, okay, then I don't know what to say about that, okay? But what he be saying is on point to a lot of these hoes now. I do not waste time on females who don't have any type of skills to be either a virgin, into polygyny, or she ain't got no fucking money. Why would you waste your time? She ain't got nothing else for you. That shit fades over time. Women don't like health. They don't like fucking spirituality. I said most. And then anybody who tell me I'm talking about all women, I'll kill your ass. I'll kill you where you stand. You think I'm talking about most. I mean, all. I never say all in my fucking words. I know how to use my goddamn verbs. Okay? But I put this on YouTube and I put it on fucking Facebook. I don't hate women. I love their game. I take advantage of the matriarch. Did you know that there's guys out there who actually win against the matriarch? They get alimony and child support. Did y'all guys know that? You got to be broke to do that. You got to have a brain power to do that. Okay? Because I had that shit happen to me a little bit too. But guess what? I do my shit by force and fear. Okay? I don't do no abuse. I be saying the distance. I'm like Mr. Raymond Reddington and this motherfucker here. Y'all watch The Blacklist? As a matter of fact, I need y'all to understand to watch The Blacklist. You gotta be as intelligent as Blacklist. You are untouchable. Blacklist. So if something happens to you, a lot of people will die in America. Okay, this is that simple. Mr. Raymond Reddington should be president of the United States. Raymond Reddington. Okay, Reddington. Okay. Now, the thing is that with that character, y'all have to be like him. The motherfucker never had any problems with women and shit. But I ain't gonna tell you the story. But other than that, he's a CIA agent looking for his daughter, and he signed himself in. The first episode is good. All of the 9.5. It's better than the Lord of the Rings, and it'll keep you interest all straight through it. Okay, I ain't saying it's better than Lord of the Rings, but it's definitely better than the Game of Thrones after season 6, okay? But other than that, I gotta get out of here, you guys. So I talked about realism and exaggeration. Exaggeration supersedes realism, okay? And anyone who's stuck in realism is a retrospective. That means they're a stick in the mud. Okay, I'm like, dude, did you ever watch any sexualized animated porn? Y'all motherfuckers haven't saw any sexualized? Oh my goodness, it's more provocative than their fucking real thing. There's not too many fucking porn I watch out there that's very good, like my porn or like Lexington's porn and shit. Or Marcus's porn, okay? I know the porn stars. I got my own porn. You want to see my shit? Okay? I told you, I have the biggest dick because I use strap-ons. Remember that. I don't have sex with used vaginas, and I don't have a small cock. Okay? Like the Asian man. Wait. I'm just joking around. But other than that, let me go down out here, you guys. I talked about all this stuff. You guys got to start checking your Facebook. Start checking the Facebook. Make sure nobody's copying you and fucking you're hacking your shit. I'm the Emerald Pill Man. Also, I do gaming at night. I got a whole lot of shit on my plate I gotta deal with. I gotta teach English to Bangladeshi people to be creative. Okay, I'm on a Wednesday nights all the way to Sunday nights between 11:59 p.m. to 3 in the morning. Right now, I'm playing Batman Arkham Knight, which is not the first one. I gotta go back and play the first one that came out way back in 2009. Okay, I gotta go backwards again. But other than that, oh well, I'll just play all of them because I didn't get a chance to play. I'm a gamer and fanatic, motherfuckers. Alright? I'm out of here, you guys. So anybody got anything to say? Okay, before I get out of here? So I won't delay. Okay, I'm starting to rhyme like the Riddler in that motherfucker. You know, that Riddler was crazy. The Riddler is crazy in there, man. They even got him his own bat car in there. I'm sorry to spoil that. If you didn't play Batman Arkham Asylum, because that shit is the darkest Batman I've ever played in my motherfucking life. 9.5 so far, man. It's just so exceptionally done. It's like Rocksteady and shit has created a beast. And now they come up with another one now. I think it's called Gotham Crusades or some shit. I said, I ain't gonna tell you the story, motherfuckers. You know, I knew when I start playing the game, automatically there's gonna another part. I kind of predicted that Cyberpunk will be fucked up because there's too much expectation on that shit. Too much expectation. Y'all pushing them too far. You gotta wait. Cyberpunk, I will never get because it's on the disc. They gotta. Let's say you get the disc and you ain't got no internet service. What are you gonna do? Okay, you bought the disc, right? Okay, then you're going to have to keep getting them updates. Fuck that. Now, Witcher 3 had some problems with it, but I got the disc, and when you have to go on the internet to update your shit, that's not a good game. That's just my opinion of it. Okay? I don't care. I was really looking forward to the Cyberpunk 2077, and they fucked it. And that's from Cyberpunk. Project CD Red did that shit, and I'm like, They pushed it. They were being greedy. They were not focused. They should have just canceled it and just wait until someone else picks it up and shit. You know, wait. Even if it takes extra 2 years if you need to. Don't be focused on that money. Don't focus on the money, honey. Get the bugs out. Now, I'm going to recommend the game to you guys. You should play this Batman Arkham Knight and also Witcher 3 because I bust the groove and I got the DLC because that was that good. Blood and Wine and fucking Heart of Stone. What was this? The blue one. Okay? I ain't going to tell you the story because the story's too exceptional to talk all on here right now. Alright, so let me get on out of here, you guys. Witcher 3 and Batman Arkham Knight, okay? And Ninja Scroll. Watch the original Ninja Scroll, not the other ones, those crossbreeds. There's only one original one that was top of the line and shit. I ain't like the other ones. I'm an anime fan galore. But other than that, let me go on out here. I gotta pick up some things from the store. Anybody got anything to say? We talked about 2 subjects today. Okay? And all my Bangladeshi friends, I'm trying to get paid from y'all guys. Y'all gotta set up a credit card if you want me to teach English in a comical, humoristic, dynamic way, okay, you know, because I'm innovative like that. You guys are gonna have to find a way so I can get paid. And I know you Bangladeshi people got money out there. You're just gonna have to find a way to connect them credit cards because I can't keep doing that. You gotta get tired of doing that. You do things for free and shit. You know this epidemic is affecting mostly Milano the crackers. Okay, you know. They set it up. Okay, they got the news. Let them do it. Okay, they're gonna fuck themselves in the ass. Okay, let them do the COVID, all this lying and shit, all this. It's only gonna affect them. Okay, because they love black people. They love everybody, right? Everybody's somewhere along the line is a racist somewhere, but them racists, if the racists are the ones who got all the capitalism, okay, we gonna have a problem in the world, okay? We gonna be exterminated, motherfuckers, okay? It's a lot more us than them, okay, right? So understand that if the handful of capitalists are racist, okay, they could be greedy all they want, okay? Okay, but if they're racist, oh my goodness, extermination galore, okay? Look at Bill Gates. Look at Zuckerberg. The motherfuckers might be lizards. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. I talk to the motherfuckers all of the time. They tell me I'm doing fine. I said, hey, this don't eat me, man. This don't eat me. Don't eat me. Okay? Because I know what Jeffrey Dahmer said. He said that black folks taste tastier. They're tastier than white folks. I said, what the hell? He got dead bodies in his refrigerator eating them like fucking bacon and shit. And I was like, holy fucking shit. That's Jeffrey Dahmer. I was like, holy shit. But I'm not your average man. I'm not your Peter Pan. Let me get on out of here. I gotta get me another SD hard drive and shit. Update my shit, okay? Get me some sneakers and shit because I gotta make my 3-point shook shots and shit. Okay, right? But let me get on out of here because I'm boring the hell out of some people and shit. Let me see what else. Okay, since nobody's saying nothing, I'm out of here, you guys. Peace.